You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of Gaelic names, Gaelic names, Irish names, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. How to pronounce Branagh, surname Bra. Na. How to pronounce, stress on the first syllable, Branagh. Don't worry about the GH at the end, it's not Branagh, it's not Branagh, Branagh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.